Hello guys, it's Sharif here. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use TikTok Live Studio. Many of us have been waiting for this video and today is the day. It's going to be a pretty detailed video. I'm going to show you guys the step by step how to add scenes, add microphone, pretty much everything. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, here we are on TikTok Live Studio. This is my scene. Let me edit it. Let me start a new scene. Yeah, so if you are new to TikTok Live Studio and you open the application, this is what you're going to get. So let's just go on the blank screen. I prefer blank screen. Select blank screen, then add. I made videos. I told you guys you'll be needing a capture card. If you're streaming from your console, you need a capture card, you need your microphone. I think that's pretty much everything, and definitely your console. So let's assume you have everything. You have the capture card and your console. The first thing we are going to do, we want to add our PlayStation 5 gameplay. Then we head straight to can you see this spot here? You add source. Then you select capture card. This spot here, capture card. It will bring different options. Depends on you. Select video device. You select your capture card. You select your capture card. My own capture card is Elgato capture card HD60S, which is this one you're seeing. So I select it. What resolution do you want to stream on? I'll be streaming on 1080p, of course. My FPS is definitely 60. My video format, I always put it on RGB24. To be honest, I do not know why I put it on RGB24. The color range, I just leave all this. Then I click on add source. Can you see on the screen? That is my gameplay. This is it. This is my PS5 running in the background. So let me enlarge it. You can resize it to however, anyhow you want to, pretty much anything. So now we've added our PlayStation gameplay footage. The next thing you have to do is you have to add your camera. You also go to this add source as well. This spot add source. You select camera. You add. You all know I use Camo as my camera, which is this one, Camo. That is my camera. I like to flip it like this. I do not know why. You can either flip it any way you guys want it. So I prefer flipping it like this. Like this. I select my resolution. I'm currently streaming. Is it capturing me at 1080? Yeah, it's capturing at 1080p. My FPS, I prefer 60, just to make it smooth. I leave this because you cannot change it. It's always at YUI2. I don't know. So after I've done that, then I click on add source. Boom, my camera is there. I also reposition my camera. So you see these things. You can reposition it anyhow you want. It depends on you. Anyhow you want it, you can do it. So this is how. Oh, let me make it in the middle. Yeah, I've already done my TikTok page, my setup, everything. This is what everybody will see once you start streaming. Then you can spice it up. Maybe you want to add goals. If you want to add any other thing, you go to add source. If you want to add image, you click on image. You select the image on your PC. If you want to add a video, maybe you want a video to just keep repeating and your face or gameplay somewhere, you can add a video and it keeps playing. Depending on what you want to do is pretty much straightforward. If you want to add a link, maybe you have a source, you have a web source or something, and you want maybe should I call it a live link? I don't know, but you can pretty much use it. Just paste the browser link. Anything showing on the browser link will show on your TikTok Live Studio. But many people will not be using that, I guess. So if you want to add alerts, you see this spot, select alert. Select alerts. That's my reason. I need to reduce the sound anyways. So this is alert sound. This is for follower alert. You write whatever you want it. Let me show you a preview. Can you see? Join the Kiss family. I can actually change this and put anything I wanted. Just depends on you, but this is what I feel is good for me. Then I had my MP3 sound, the sound I want. I can use a default sound or I can just add a sound. Let me show you the sounds I have. Where's my mouse? I keep looking right for my mouse. this ones comes with TikTok. So I think I added this ones here myself. So you just select it, you add and all of that. And just click on add source as usual. That is how you add. So now let's go to the sound settings. You see this audio mixer is selected. This is where all your audio comes from. Every single thing. This is my microphone. I use Maono PD200X. I don't know what microphone you guys will be using. So if you want to add your microphone as well, you click on add. You select your microphone, select any of our microphone. Once you've selected it, boom. You just click on add down here. Then your microphone will add. Make sure you don't have two microphones running. It saves you from the echo. But I don't know why mine is running here. Maybe because I'm recording also, I don't know. So just make sure it's one microphone that is running. Then you disable it. Then my audio, because I'm definitely using my PC for audio. All the sound is coming from my PC, from my TV rather. That's why it's doing blah blah blah. Just make sure you have one audio. This is the audio I normally use. My caster. This is my audio mixer. So this is the audio mixer I normally use. All the audio comes into the mixer, then plays out at once. What else? And this is the source. It's capturing my PlayStation sound. It's capturing it directly from PlayStation. If you use an Elgato capture card and you use a chat link cable, you will definitely experience something like this. So it's just straightforward. If you have another audio source you want to add, click on add. It will show this settings. Select the audio source, add. So it's pretty much straightforward. There's nothing special in streaming. And also, what I want to tell you guys is, streaming here, if you want to have a crisp quality streaming, or a clear stream, you must take some things into consideration. Number one is your internet. It's very important. Let me show. Imagine now it's telling me. It is telling me my quality are too high. Just imagine. I stream on 1080p. My FPS is 60, of course. It has to be 60. My bitrate has always been 8,000. Then audio bitrate is 256. My encoder NVIDIA. And if you want to stream, I will also tell you guys, please try as much as possible to have a PC. A PC that has a graphics card is very, very important. It helps you, trust me. It really helps. It makes things smooth. So, like I said, I stream on 1080p, 60 FPS, 8,000 bitrate. Everything is normal. So your network, let me now tell you something. Your upload speed will determine your bitrate. It is very, very important. You use about 60% of your upload speed. If you're having a 400 megabyte per second upload speed, or why not? You can even use 10,000 bitrate. Bitrate makes the stream clear. You understand? But if you don't have a good upload speed, do not try it. So if you have, for example, if you have 10,000 upload speed, you can just use 5,000 or 6,000. You're good to go. If you have 20,000, like me, 20,000 megabyte upload speed, I can use 10,000. I just prefer it at 8. So when playing online games, it will not affect me or stuff like that. You understand? So just make sure you check these settings. It's very important. This is where your live quality is. Even if you set all this to 1080p and all, if you don't set these stream settings, this live quality, it will not bring out those quality. I think it won't. It won't, definitely. So this is where you do. And if you also do this one and you don't set all this, it won't. It's vice versa, So they have to be perfect. They work hand in hand. So I think that's pretty much everything. If you have any other questions to ask, you can actually hit me up. I hope you guys like this short video. See you guys in another video. Have a nice day. Cheers.